In this video, we're going to talk about something important: your legs. If you're over 60 and noticing that your legs feel weaker, more tired, or less steady than they used to, you're not imagining it. And no, it's not just getting older. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful teas, plus a couple of extras, that can help support stronger legs, better energy, and smoother movement, without pills or intense workouts. These teas are backed by research, easy to prepare at home, and loved by older adults all over the world. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. 1. Ginger turmeric tea. As we age, our joints and muscles go through a lot. Years of walking, climbing stairs, and just daily movement add up. Many people over 60 begin to notice more soreness or swelling, especially in the knees, ankles, or lower back. And a big reason for that is inflammation, something your body produces when it's under stress, even if you haven't had an injury. That's where ginger and turmeric come in. These 2 roots have been used for hundreds of years to ease pain and help the body heal. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols, which support healthy blood flow and reduce the tightness that can come from poor circulation. When blood isn't flowing well to your legs, it's harder for muscles to stay strong, and that's when fatigue sets in. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains curcumin, a compound known for fighting inflammation right at the source. Together, they make a powerful team for older legs that need extra support. Another quiet benefit of this tea is that it can lift your energy naturally. Ginger helps your body turn food into usable energy, so you're less likely to feel sluggish after meals or need a nap in the middle of the day. And because it's not like coffee, it won't leave you feeling jittery or crash later. Making the tea is simple. Just slice up a small piece of fresh ginger, add about a teaspoon of ground turmeric, or fresh if you have it, and pour hot water over it. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. Adding a pinch of black pepper helps your body absorb the turmeric better, and a little honey or lemon can make the flavor more enjoyable. Drinking 1 cup each morning can make a real difference. Many people say that after a week or 2 of regular use, they start to feel looser in the joints and steadier on their feet. It's a small daily habit that can add up to better mobility, less pain, and more confidence when walking or standing. 2. Ginseng green tea. Ginseng green tea is a perfect choice if you've been feeling low on energy, or if your legs seem to get tired halfway through the day. Maybe you've noticed it's harder to get up from a chair or stay active for very long. That kind of slowdown is common, but it doesn't have to be permanent. This tea combines 2 natural powerhouses, ginseng and green tea. Together, they work like a gentle push to help your muscles perform better and stay energized, without making you feel wired or overstimulated like coffee sometimes can. Let's start with ginseng. It's a root that's been used for generations in traditional medicine to fight off tiredness and build strength. What makes ginseng special is that it's an adaptogen, which simply means it helps your body deal with stress more efficiently. And yes, aging itself puts stress on your muscles, joints, and nerves every single day. Ginseng helps reduce that hidden strain, making it easier for your body to stay balanced and strong. Studies show that ginseng helps muscles use oxygen more efficiently, which can improve endurance. That means you may find it easier to walk longer distances, go grocery shopping, or climb stairs without feeling so worn out after. Over time, this adds up to stronger legs and better stamina, even if you're only moving a little more than usual. Now pair that with green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants that protect your muscles and joints from damage. It also contains a unique compound called L-theanine, which keeps you calm and focused, so your energy feels steady, not jumpy. Plus, green tea gently encourages your metabolism to work better, helping you feel more refreshed throughout the day. Making it is easy. Steep 1 green tea bag in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add a few thin slices of fresh ginseng root, or use about a quarter teaspoon of dried ginseng powder if that's easier to find. Let it steep another 5 minutes. A little honey or lemon can make it taste great. Drinking this tea daily may not give you instant results, but over time, it supports better circulation, stronger muscles, and a clearer, more active mind. You may start to notice your legs don't give out as quickly, and your overall motivation to move gently improves. And that, right there, is the start of real, lasting change. 3. Ashwagandha root tea. If you've been feeling worn down lately, not just in your body, but in your mind too, ashwagandha root tea might be exactly what you need. This tea is a little different from the others. While ginger and ginseng focus on boosting circulation and energy, ashwagandha works quietly in the background to help your body recover, especially overnight. It brings balance to your system, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Here's why it's important. As we age, our bodies start to respond more strongly to stress. Even small things like poor sleep, health worries, or emotional tension can leave your muscles feeling weaker and your energy drained. That's because your body produces more of a hormone called cortisol, which is good in small amounts but harmful when it stays high for too long. High cortisol levels can actually break down muscle, increase belly fat, and make your legs feel heavy and sluggish. Ashwagandha is what we call an adaptogen, meaning it helps regulate that stress response. It gently tells your body, you're safe. You can relax now. And once your system feels calm and balanced, it starts to rebuild your muscles, your energy, your coordination. One of the best things about this tea is how it supports better sleep, which is when your body does most of its healing. If you've been waking up tired, feeling groggy, or struggling with restless nights, drinking a warm cup of ashwagandha tea in the evening might help. It can ease your mind, settle your nerves, and prepare your body to truly rest. And better sleep means better muscle repair. Your legs can actually recover and get stronger, even while you sleep. Ashwagandha also supports the nervous system, which plays a big role in how steady and responsive your legs feel. If you've ever stood up and felt shaky or like your legs aren't cooperating, weak neuromuscular signals might be the reason. Ashwagandha helps strengthen those connections so you feel more stable on your feet. To make the tea, use about 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root. Simmer it gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain, and drink warm. You can add a bit of cinnamon or honey if you like a sweeter taste. The flavor is slightly earthy and nutty, comforting, especially at night. Some people prefer to drink it in the morning for steady calm energy, while others find it works best in the evening for better sleep and muscle recovery. Either way, the key is to be consistent. Make it part of your daily rhythm. Over time, you might notice you feel more grounded, less anxious, and more sure-footed throughout the day. 4. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is one of the most popular herbal teas around, and it's not just for fresh breath or helping an upset stomach. For older adults, peppermint tea can play a gentle but important role in supporting leg strength, comfort, and overall mobility. Why? Because it helps in areas that often get overlooked: muscle tension, digestion, and circulation. First, peppermint contains a natural compound called menthol. This gives the tea its refreshing flavor, but it also acts as a natural muscle relaxant. If you feel tightness or cramping in your legs, especially after walking or standing, a cup of peppermint tea can help soothe that tension. It doesn't just mask discomfort, it helps calm the nerves and muscles that are causing it. Peppermint tea also helps your digestive system work better. And while that might not sound directly related to your legs, digestion plays a bigger role than people think. When your gut is sluggish, it can make you feel bloated, heavy, and low on energy. And when your body isn't breaking down nutrients properly, your muscles don't get the building blocks they need. A smoother digestion process means better nutrient absorption, and stronger legs over time. Another quiet benefit of peppermint tea is its ability to improve circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen reaches your leg muscles, helping them feel more awake, responsive, and less tired. It's a simple, natural way to support overall energy, without the ups and downs of caffeine. To make peppermint tea, just steep a handful of fresh peppermint leaves or a peppermint tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can enjoy it hot or cold. It's naturally sweet and doesn't need added sugar. If you want to make it even more soothing, try adding a slice of lemon or a few fennel seeds for extra digestion support. Many older adults find that having a cup of peppermint tea after meals helps them feel lighter, calmer, and more refreshed. Over time, that can translate into less tension in the body, easier movement, and better energy to enjoy daily activities. 5. Chamomile tea. If you've been having trouble sleeping or waking up with stiff, tired legs, chamomile tea could be a quiet but powerful solution. It's one of the most popular herbal teas in the world, and for good reason. Chamomile is gentle, calming, and full of natural compounds that help support both the body and mind, especially in older adults. Let's start with sleep. Quality sleep is when your body does most of its muscle healing and rebuilding. If you're tossing and turning or waking up throughout the night, your legs never get the chance to truly recover. Chamomile contains a natural antioxidant called apigenin, which works on the brain's receptors to reduce anxiety and promote restful sleep, without leaving you groggy the next morning. But this tea isn't just for bedtime. Chamomile also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease discomfort in sore joints and tired muscles. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, general stiffness, or post-walk soreness, a daily cup of chamomile tea may gently calm your system from the inside out. It also helps with muscle relaxation. If your legs often feel tight or crampy, especially at night, chamomile's mild sedative effect may help those muscles let go, allowing for better comfort and movement. It's a natural way to unwind, both physically and mentally. To prepare it, simply steep a chamomile tea bag or dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. You can drink it plain or add a touch of honey or warm milk for extra soothing benefits. Drinking it an hour before bed is ideal for improving sleep, but you can also enjoy it during the day when you need a moment to relax. Over time, many older adults report feeling calmer, better rested, and more in control of their body after making chamomile tea part of their nightly routine. Better sleep leads to better healing. And better healing leads to stronger, more dependable legs. So there you have it, 6 simple teas that can quietly and naturally support your legs, your energy, and your sense of balance. You don't need to overhaul your whole routine or sign up for anything intense. Just a small cup a day, a gentle habit, done with care and consistency. Let's quickly go over what each one offers. Ginger turmeric tea helps calm inflammation, improve circulation, and reduce that heavy, sore feeling in your legs. Ginseng green tea gives you lasting energy, supports oxygen flow to your muscles, and helps you feel sharper and more willing to move. Ashwagandha root tea brings everything into balance. It eases stress, supports muscle recovery during sleep, and helps you feel steady on your feet. Each one works a little differently, but together, they offer something powerful, a way to feel stronger without forcing it. These teas meet you where you are. They're not about pushing your body beyond its limits, they're about helping your body do what it's already trying to do, heal, move, and thrive. Now, it's important to remember, this isn't a quick fix. Nothing lasting ever is. But over the course of a few weeks, many people start to notice subtle changes. Maybe you walk a little farther without stopping. Maybe you get up from a chair a little easier. Maybe your legs just feel a bit more awake. Those are signs that your body is responding. You've made it this far, and you deserve to feel strong again, not just in your legs, but in your confidence too. So whether you choose one of these teas or try all 3, the key is to stick with it. Let it become part of your day, like a quiet little ritual of self-care. You've spent years caring for others. Now it's your turn. Your health still matters. Your strength still matters. And even small steps, like a cup of tea, can lead you toward a stronger, steadier tomorrow.